Hey guys, we're here at the BIA, and as you can see, we are loading tons and tons of hurricane supplies to go up to our fellow Floridians that have been hit really hard in Panama City and also Mexico City Beach area.
Bill Truex and Rick Ellenberger, President and Second Vice President of the Florida Home Builders Association, started getting all the builder associations from around the state together, asking for donations and supplies.
We had a large donation made by Builders First Source. They came in with a full pickup truck full to my shop last night. That's what the bulk of this is. Good friend Chris McNamara, he's with Shoreline Builders. He brought in a large donation of items that he donated personally. There's a bunch of stuff that I've gathered up over the past week or so, just in this truck. And we had an event last night at Big Top Brewery where our members met up with us, and they made some donations and filled that truck along with a lot of what's in here, which is a lot of stuff.
So we got a very large donation from Lakewood Ranch Town Hall. So a lot of citizens in Lakewood Ranch donated to this cause, as well as the Lakewood Ranch Rotary Club, through the help with Susan Corder from R.E. Crawford. We thank her very much. As well as Fruitville Elementary School, Kate Kramer's class collected a lot of stuff, as well as our members bringing in cases and cases of water. We had a gentleman come down last night that delivered 50 cases of water from Tampa. Excel Construction brought us 22 cases of water. It goes on and on. We've been very blessed to receive a lot of donations. Charlotte DeSoto BIA, who started this drive, they have at least 3 full 16-foot trailers of items that are coming out of Charlotte County that are going to go be part of this caravan that we're joining this afternoon. So we're very blessed to be a part to try and help just a little bit our friends in Bay County.
I know just how needed this kind of stuff is. It's really just about getting up there and doing what we can.